Do not try any of the experiments you are about to see at home.
You heard him. Don't do it.
On today's episode of Mythbusters, we're going to test an explosive myth, and Newton's third law will make an appearance. But who are the Mythbusters? Jamie Heineman and Adam Savage are two guys who have little experience between them but are going to try science anyway. They don't just tell the myths, they put them to the test.
Welcome to another episode of Mythbusters.
I'm Jamie Heineman.
And my name is Adam Savage.
So, Adam, what are we going to do today?
So, we're going to investigate the myth that putting Alka-Seltzer and 7-Up inside a little film canister is going to cause a big explosion.
Well, it seems like we have all the materials. Let's do it.
Let's go!
The first material is 100-gram tablets of Alka-Seltzer, but due to budget constraints, we use the cheap stuff, antacid tablets. The important chemical is the sodium bicarbonate. The second material is soda. It doesn't matter what kind, the carbon dioxide bubbles are the important thing. Finally, you need some sort of container to hold the materials for the reaction to take place. We are using 35mm film canisters.
Here's the plan for today, guys. We're going to get ourselves one of these 35mm film canisters. We're going to fill it halfway up with this soda here. Then we're going to put in one of these antacid tablets. And then we're going to put it down. And we're going to run for dear life.
And fill this up almost halfway with soda. This is a good amount. You see that? We're going to get 1 tablet of antacid. We're going to drop it in, and I'm going to run. Just seal this off. Nice and tight. You ready, cameraman?
What is it like?
The explosion causes the canister to rise due to Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of the forces on the first object equals the size of the force on the second object. The direction of the force on the first object is opposite to the direction of the force on the second object. Forces always come in pairs. Equal and opposite action, reaction, force pairs.
Well, Adam, it seems like we couldn't bust this.
I understand, Jamie, but can you tell the audience at home why?
Of course. So when we have the film canister and we pour soda in and mix it with the Alka-Seltzer and we seal the cap, a chemical reaction takes place that produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas is produced so much that it builds a lot of pressure in this canister. It builds so much pressure that the canister cannot hold the chemical reaction that's occurring within it. As a result, an explosion happens. And according to Newton's third law, when this explosion happens, it exerts a force on the ground. The ground exerts the same and opposite force back up. And that is why the film canister goes flying into the air.
I understand, Jamie.